Good day everyone. Welcome to beautiful Australia. In this quick 3-minute Australian house tour, we step into a delightful single-story beach house that seamlessly blends comfort and practicality. But before we dive in, don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button to support our channel. As we step into this charming home, we find ourselves in the inviting foyer, bathed in natural light. The living room is a cozy space perfect for relaxation and gatherings, with an open design that makes it feel even more inviting. Now, let's head to the kitchen, the heart of this house. It's well appointed with modern fixtures, and it seamlessly connects to the living area, making it ideal for entertaining. The bathroom is tastefully designed, providing everything you need for your daily routines. This well-designed space features waterproof tiles, not only adding a touch of style with their sleek and modern appearance, but also providing the practical benefit of enhanced durability and easy maintenance. These tiles are a smart choice, ensuring the bathroom remains in excellent condition for years to come. But it's when we explore the office space that this house truly shines. This versatile and well-lit office area, accessible directly from the foyer, is ideal for remote work or study, providing a dedicated space for productivity. It boasts ample storage, making it convenient for organizing paperwork and staying organized. From the office, you can seamlessly transition to the master bedroom. This spacious and inviting room offers a peaceful sanctuary, featuring large windows that allow plenty of natural light to flood in. The master bedroom's design is both elegant and comfortable, making it the perfect place to unwind after a long day. As we explore further, the second bedroom is a true gem in this house. Not only does it offer a comfortable space for guests or family members, but it also provides direct access to the backyard. This access to the outdoor area brings a breath of fresh air and an abundance of natural beauty, with lush plants and greenery enhancing the view. The strategic layout of this bedroom is also worth noting. It offers convenient access to the kitchen, making it easy to grab a snack or prepare a meal. Plus, with its direct connection to the car park and outdoor dining space, it's an ideal retreat for those who love to barbecue and enjoy the outdoors. Step outside to discover a convenient car park and a delightful outdoor area, ideal for barbecues and outdoor dining. This ground floor gem truly has it all, making it an ideal place to call home. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and hit that notification bell for more exciting content. Thanks for joining us today, and we look forward to seeing you in the next video. Cheers!